Hi everyone. So we'll solve the problem highest target under manager. This problem has been taken from StrataScratch.com and we'll solve it using Python. Let's go through the question. Find the highest target achieved by employer and employees working under this particular manager ID number 13. Let's look at the data frame. We have one data frame Salesforce employees and that's it, right? So you have all your employee details as well as the manager of that particular employee details in this particular data frame. You need to output the first name and the target achieved. Okay, so the solution should show the highest target achieved under manager ID 13 and which employee achieved it. So if I were to break down this problem, the problem is into two parts. First is find all employees under manager ID equals 13. Okay, then we need to output first name and target achieved for these employees. Okay, that's the first thing we need to find out. The second thing is the solution should show the highest target achieved under manager 13 and which employee achieved it. Okay, so first we'll find out all the employees under manager 13. And for those employees we'll show employee name, first name and target achieved. And out of that selected or filtered out list of employees, we need to find showcase or return only those employees uh, who have achieved the highest target under that manager. Okay, which should be only those records where target is max. So now let's start coding this. The first thing that I would do is find all employees, which is filtering out this column. So start by creating a data frame, which should be a data taken from a data frame of Salesforce employees. Under this data frame, let's pick the column manager ID. This should be 13. Okay, and out of this selected data frame, we need to pick up a list of. We don't want all the columns in the data frame. All we need is first name and we need target. That's it. On the second part of the problem, only those records where the target is maximum, highest target achieved. Okay, so let me store this in output, and my output would be a data frame which should pick up only from the column target. Okay, so from this particular from data frames column target, I need to pick up values where the target is maximum, which I would write by using this. So this column, target column, and I'll use a max function. This will give me only those records out of this data frame where the value in the column target is the maximum of all the values. And we have already filtered out this DF has only those records of employees with manager ID 13, and we have also pre-filtered or pre-selected the columns we want to display. So this DF has only two columns now. Let's run this. The name DF is not defined, which is strange. Invalid syntax line 1. Okay, let's debug this. So what we have done is Salesforce employees. We have taken manager ID equals 13, which seems to be correct, and then we have taken two columns and output. We created an output to store everything where df of target. Okay, I just closed this data frame over here, which I should not have done. Okay, so this is my one column. This column value should equal to this column value, and then I close this. The entire data frame. Store this all in this df, which gets stored in output. Now let's run this code. Okay, let's check the solution. Solved. So this is the correct solution. Basic, just these two lines of code. Thank you.